So, hello brothers and sister. Nandito ulit tayo sa peak ng mountain, higher perspective as always. 'Di ba sige ako kwento palagi sa inyo na I like to go to nature by magpalayo sa crowd because this is the time for me to have self-reflection and to understand myself. And grabe ka blessed, no? It's not easy to travel going to high mountains but through our mga sasakyan or motor, we have the ability na to access. And then the roads na ngayon are madami ng roads na ngayon na paakyat sa mga mountains. So it's quite accessible na ngayon to go to those higher mountains and to see a very good view, no? To be blessed and truly grateful to be in this part of time to share this through our gadgets. Maganda na yung quality ng video and audio, and then I can show you around these great places and so been always documenting myself, doing live stream as well. But for me now, pansin ko, I'm trying to lessen my effort doing live stream because na-realize ko it's a bit too much toxic, people out there always spreading negativity and parang wala na siyang return for me. Before, I had the excitement of getting a lot of viewers from that, but it came to a point na kapoy na rin siya. Kapoy na mag-interact sa mga people who are negative and hindi nag-spread ng good awareness and vibration. So, for me, I still like to make documents, create content but gusto ko magawa na lang ng video and then upload it later on and then see if it works, it resonates with you, then nice. If it's not, then what can I do What can I do? It's not about just pleasing you, but also for me to give value, then also that pleases me, Ayoko man na to act something that I'm not. So as much as possible, the comedy that I'm making, the jokes that I'm making, I know that it's funny for me, Hindi lang ako nagawa nito dahil lang para lang mapatawa kayo. But I know, mapatawa ko kayo kasi I have my sense of humor. But yeah, so blessed so ganda ng view. Grabe kaganda ng view if it's not so clear now, especially it's dark, but wow, 360 yung view almost, and kita mo talaga yung mga landscape sa baba. This is one of pinaka-blessed na mga views that is accessible na nakita ko sa eyes ko, and truly grateful to share this. And I'm here at this peak while I'm sharing it to you. Wow, galing Hindi lang tayo parang kulong sa box and then just sharing our experience na kung ano yung nasa box tayo. Ito talaga this is the real view, brother and sister. Ito na yung view na yun. And pag nasa nature ka talaga it just automatically heals you and regenerates you, And pag nasa mga trees, nasa mga nature ka you just know, and you're calling pa. And then when it's your time to move na you have that strength already and that clarity na okay, that's our purpose, that's our movement As always, brothers and sisters, blessed and love. Reconnect muna ako sa nature And then I hope you also reconnect with yourself and nature. Peace.